All right, so we're here to do CAD 48. Once again, it's also in inches. So do the usual stuff. Go ahead and start it up. All right. So let's start our sketch. We're going to start on the base. Once again, remember, roll that sucker so the top is up and right. So we're going to do our base here, and it's just 7 by 5 rectangle. So the bottom will be 7, and then the side will be 5. And we'll center it. And there you go. All right, and that's got 4 holes in it. So, you know, let's go ahead and get those. And they are diameters of 0.75. So, diameter 0.75. And there's 4 of them. All right. Now, dimension from here to here is 1. And the dimension from here to here is also 1. There's 4 of them. So why don't we do an array? So we just grab this, get out of that, grab that, all right? Rectangular array, or rectangular pattern. So we're going to pick that. So direction 1, and that's direction 1. 2 items. And the spacing is going to be, let's see, we've got 7 inches total. And we're taking 1 off of each side, so the spacing will be 5. Direction 2. We're going to pick this one. See, it's pointing the wrong way, so we'll flip that arrow so it points that way. And our spacing that way is going to be 5 minus 2, right, so 3. And see, it gives you the idea. This is what it's going to look like. So that looks good, so we'll hit OK. And there we go. Got our 4 circles. Didn't have to do anything special with it. I know what I'm doing here doesn't matter. It's just one of those things. I like it. Set up the way I like it. So we'll finish that. And we could have used the hole command and done 4 holes too. That would have worked. All right. But y'all need to know how to do patterns. So we'll put that up. All right. So this is going to be 0.5. And there we go. Okay, once again, we don't have anything. I'm going to go ahead and name this while I'm thinking about it. Angle block. There we go. Spell that right? Yeah. And we'll hit OK. Notice I didn't do the update. All right, so here, back on this we go. All right, so we got another rectangle. But it's going to be this way, right? So I can't do that. That's not going to work. So a polygon. Interesting. 4 sides. Circumscribed, it'd be around the circle. Inscribed will be in the circle. Let's do circumscribed. And go straight up and then come over 45 degrees. All we got to do is just line up our corners. Ding. All right, so there we go. So there's our basic shape, right? Now we're going to dimension from here to there. And that is going to be 1.55. Now, aligned. 2.75. Failed to edit dimension value. Well, isn't that special? Well, in that case, we'll just delete this. Okay, so that didn't work. We'll just come over 1.55, and then we'll do this. This is going to be 2.75, tab, and 1.3135 for our angle. There we go. Now, 2.75 this way, and then do it this way, and then back to where we started, and we're good to go. All right, so that's got our base. Your guess is as good as mine why that didn't work, but hey. All right, so we'll finish that sketch. All right, so there's our extrusion. Now, this thing is 2.5 tall, and now we got this face to do. So I'm gonna bring a line over, 0.25. And once again, tab 135. Now, we'll take a line from the middle. Grab that. Mirror line, pick the line, hit apply. And that's got both sides. All right, looks like we got it. Now, I'm going to do a rectangle right down the center of this, okay? From here to here, it's 0.75. The width of it is 0.25. So that means that'll be 0.125. All right, so we got our stuff. Now we can start trimming. And there's our little thing, okay? Finish our sketch, 3D model. Go back to our sketch because apparently it didn't do the line across the top. There's a line there. Sometimes inventor just be like that. Now we can do it. Alright, that should do it. Extrude. Yeah. Cut. Through all. Alright. And there it is. Here's your little face. Okay. So obviously, this, we're going to need the top. We're going to need the side. We're going to need that face. Okay? And that should get us. So let's save. First, let's go in here, do our properties. Go ahead and update since we got the whole thing done. There we go. Save. Okay, 48. Get our thing going here. Alright, once again, don't need that much. B is plenty. Alright, let's get our base view in. Nah, I like the 1/2 better. Well, okay. Alright, now we'll pull that down just a smidgen because I got room over here. Pull it up just a smidgen. Auxiliary. And there's our auxiliary view. Alright. It's got our holes now. Okay. That's got everything located up there except for these things, and I will grab this one since I've got some space over here. Home or X, and there we go. That's got all my holes located. All right, now we'll dimension here. We'll zoom in. No. Now I'll grab this number, put it on the other side, and we'll grab it out a little bit. $44. Also notice it's not fitting on that side, so we'll do it on this side instead. Probably get the same number, but I'm fixing to show you how to fix that. All right, so and aligned with that one. That's not aligned. There we go. All right, so that's got everything there. Now our angle's wrong. So what we'll do is we'll go back to our, hit your tab down here. We go back to this. Now let's go back to the sketch here. Get those two at 45. Finish. Okay, now we'll save this. Now when we go back to CAD 48, 45. All right, so if you have a mistake on that, you can always go back to your model and fix it there. Sometimes it happens. All right, now we'll save this. CAD 48. See, and then it says CAD 48 there. And then we can export it. Once again, CAD 48. All right, so we've learned a little bit today about doing some stuff and how to set things up and all that. And we will see you for CAD 49 next.